Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are learning about how to download driver of your graphic card or maybe Intel graphics. So how to find it and how to download the correct file. Now I have a graphic card. Let's see. Press Windows plus R to open run and type DXD IAG, then click OK. You will see this little window, okay, and we are going to display one. As you can see here, GeForce GTX 580. I have this graphic card, GeForce GTX 580. So I'm gonna exit this and open Google and type here the same name, GeForce GTX 580 driver. Okay, the first website I'm going to click it. Wait for few seconds and it will open in front of you like this. GeForce Gaming Ready driver. Okay, so here is the driver version. Okay, and release date is 2015. As you can see, my card is very old. Okay, the operating system is Windows 7, 8, 8.1, Windows Vista, all 64. Okay, file size is 294 MB, sorry, 294 MB. And here we have supported products. Okay, we have 500 series, 580, and here as you can see, GeForce GTX 580. It's a supported product. Okay, so just click on download now and you will see this. Okay, just click on start download and this is your driver. After downloading that, install it in your PC and you are done, and play games whatever you want, like 3D graphics, something, rendering, whatever. If you're new in this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a like, and I will see you in the next video.